Alun Maddox has been the chairman of the Bryn Pica environmental body in Llwyd Coed for almost a decade. The organisation encourages bids from local groups to undertake work in the community by utilising landfill tax credits. To date, they have delivered a large number of projects including refurbishment of churches, boys clubs, community halls, boxing clubs and the building of new rugby stands with a total value combined exceeding £1.5 million. Alun has also been an integral part of the development of the Education and Visitor Centre at Bryn Pica, which welcomes visits from schools and community groups for them to see exactly how Rhondda Cynon Taf turns rubbish into resources.